Hello, here we will see a talk about the entertainment, discussing movies and TV program, मनोरंजन फिल्म टीवी प्रोग्राम के बारे में बातचीत कन्वर्सेशन. Nima, hi Megha. Hi Nima, how are you? Fine. What is going on? Nothing, just watching TV. Which program? Philip's Top 10. I just love this program. Me too. I also like Saregama and Close Up and Antakshari. Megha, same here. Which TV serial do you like most? Well, I like Dastan. Also, I like Shrimati, a love comedy, isn't it? क्या ये बढ़िया कॉमेडी नहीं है? मेगा, my favorite are Junoon and Swabhiman. I also like Discovery and Turning Point. I like them too. Mega, have you seen Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? Mega, oh yes, thrice. It is beautiful movie, isn't it? Shahrukh is so cute and Kajal looks so pretty. Really? And Anupam Kher is simply fantastic. He is the best comedian we have. Yes, of course. You know, the movie bagged all the awards this year. The best movie, best actor, best actress, best music, almost everything. And they deserve every bit of it. Didn't it they? Thank God the trend is changing. I am fed up with movies full of sex and violence. I am fed up with movies. मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ मूवी से. Full of sex and violence. Mega, really, I too find such movies very boring. You can't sit and watch them with family. There is Chitrahar on DD. Do you want to see? Okay, let's see something. Sometimes they show good songs. तो ये रहा कंप्लीट डिस्कशन. ये बहुत अच्छा है और आमतौर पे स्टूडेंट एक दूसरे से फिल्म की बात करते हैं. इसको आप ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. Thank you. All the best.